This tutorial will explain how to invoice an agent in Brokermint. You can invoice an agent from 3 places: an agent ledger page, a transaction ledger page, or the main menu. To invoice an agent from an agent ledger, navigate to Accounting under Overview. Select Agent Ledgers, and then locate and click an agent you would like to invoice. On their agent ledger page, click Actions in the top right-hand corner and select Add Invoice. In the wizard that appears, select whether the new invoice is related to any existing Brokermint real estate transaction with a specific address or not. If related, type in the address, locate the transaction, and then click Continue. Now select the invoice date and due date and add as many line items as you need. For each line item, select a general ledger account, add a memo, quantity, and price. You can also customize an AR account on each line item by selecting an existing AR account or adding a new one. The AR field is available when you have more than one account receivable in your chart of accounts. When done, click Create. You are all set. The added invoice becomes immediately available to the agent on their billing page. To invoice an agent from a transaction ledger, navigate to Transactions under Overview and select a transaction by clicking it. In the main menu, select Commissions under Assets, and then select Transaction Ledger under Commissions. On the Transaction Ledger page that appears, click Actions in the top right-hand corner and select Add Invoice. You'll see the same New Invoice wizard we just opened and filled out together from the Agent Ledger page. Fill out the fields, click Create, and you're all set. You can also invoice an agent from the main menu. To do that, navigate to Accounting under Overview. Click the Add button at the top of the main menu and select Invoice. You'll see the same New Invoice wizard we just opened and filled out together from the Agent Ledger and Transaction Ledger pages. Fill out the fields, click Create, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.